You need to watch this if you love magical adventures. Let's discover the wonder of Lily's magical paintbrush. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily who loved to paint. She painted animals, flowers, anything she could imagine. But there was one tiny problem. Lily's family was poor, and they couldn't buy new paints when hers ran out. One day, while walking home, Lily spotted something shiny on the ground. It was an old, worn-out paintbrush. She took it home, dipped it in water, and started to paint. And guess what? As soon as the brush touched the paper, magical colors appeared. She painted a garden, and the flowers became real. She painted food, and it appeared right on the table, hot and ready to eat. Lily's family was amazed. "This paintbrush is magic," she exclaimed. She painted food, clothes, toys for her brother, and even a rainbow in the sky. People from all over the town came to see her magical creations. But Lily knew the real magic wasn't in the brush. It was in her creativity and kind heart. So remember, kids, with a bit of creativity and kindness, you can create your own magic. Bye for now.